Hi, everybody. Welcome back, Attorney Steve Vondran. Hope you're having a great Wednesday, a great St. Patty's Day. Hope you're ready to have some fun tonight and celebrate this great festive activity. Today, we're talking about good faith and fair dealing, the implied obligation of good faith and fair dealing found in all contracts. I'm talking about California law. I don't know about your state. Probably it has it. But I'm licensed in California and Arizona. We're talking about California law today. The implied obligation of good faith and fair dealing. Let's take a look. Without further ado, let's head to the Attorney Steve litigation whiteboard. Bow! All right, so this is a really important topic. So a contract is basically a thing where you have a promisor. Sometimes we call them the offeror. They make the offer to the offeree accepts. We have the promisor making a promise, the promisee accepts. We have a binding obligation because it's backed by what? Consideration. That's right, the glue that holds the contract together. Each party is giving something, a benefit, or undertaking a detriment that is not required to do, and that is the consideration. Okay, so now we have the benefit of the bargain. Both parties say, hey, I want something, you want something. Let's get it done, and let's make sure there's no hiccups, all right? So here we go. So let's take your typical example of a contract to mow one's lawn. So the promisor says to the promisee, the homeowner says, I will mow your lawn for $100. And the contract says maybe we have a written contract. It doesn't have to be written. It can be oral. There's two types of contracts. Say this one is written. I'll pay you $100 once you mow my lawn. Okay. So the promisee says, that's great. I want my lawn mowed. Maybe there's a front yard and a backyard. Maybe there's ambiguities in the contract. Maybe there's discretion on what's going to be mowed. I will mow what I can, what I'm able to get to, that sort of thing. So anyway, say the guy mows the lawn and the promisee, and he asks the promisee, hey, time for pay. Where's my money? Where's my 100? And the promisee says, well, there's nothing in the contract that says when I need to pay you, I'll pay you when I want. Or, it said mow my lawn, you didn't do the side, and I wanted the side done. That was my reasonable expectation. Okay, so what's this person doing? What's the promisee doing? They're acting in bad faith. Of course, if somebody mows your lawn, maybe they do your windows, and you say, well, I'm paying you to do my windows. And they get done, and they say, well, you didn't do the one way up there. Well, I wasn't expecting I was going to have to do that. You're acting in bad faith. So this is a cause of action that you can bring when you have a contract, somebody is abusing the contract, more than just a breach, something that's intentional, tortious, malicious, or simply bad faith. You even have these in insurance contracts. If insurance companies do that, you can seek punitive damages. These are known as bad faith insurance cases, and they can be pretty hefty when you find an insurance company. We had to take an insurance company down on this one time. So anyway, you have the reasonable expectation of the parties, what I call Bob. What's Bob? The benefit of your bargain. Both parties want the benefit of their bargain. I want you to pay me $100, and they want the lawn mowed. So that's the reasonable expectation. So if one party's trying to, as I have here, abuse the discretion or take advantage of some ambiguity or loophole that is preventing the other person from receiving the benefit of their bargain, to have their expectation reliance undermined by bad faith activities, that can be the tort, what we call the breach of good faith and fair dealing. And you can look for your contract remedies. You can seek things like rescinding the contract, maybe tell the court, I'm just done with this guy, not doing, maybe it was you agreed to mow the lawn over a period of a year. Seek to rescind the contract, seek compensatory damages, seek punitive damages in the case of bad faith insurance. So this applies to all kinds of contracts. Could be construction contracts, real estate contracts, employment contracts, entertainment law contracts, licensing agreements, any kind of deal where you have this set up, people reaching agreement and then one party trying to take advantage of some of the terminology, okay? So this is general legal information only. Just wanted to get that out there. Hope you like this video. Got a lot of great videos lined up this month, so make sure to subscribe. You guys have a great day. Happy St. Patty's. Bye.